All set. Off and running in the Chaluki Stakes. It's Change Up, breaking right on top to take the lead. Lady Belle Sarah's up there to challenge on the inside from second. Pleasant Hill came away third. Trendy Lady racing in fourth. Rolling Sea inching up the inside now. 3.5 off the pace in fifth. Wendy's next by ahead now to My Chickadee. And High Heels at the back is 8 lengths off the pace as they link up with the main track. For the opening quarter in 23 seconds flat, it's Lady Belle Sarah leading the way under Kentis Homo, clear by 2. Change Up inching up a clear-cut second. Rolling Sea racing in third. Windy fourth. Pleasant Hills in fifth. Trendy Lady sixth now. Then High Heels up the inside, moving up in traffic. And My Chickadee's at the back now. 7 lengths off the lead with a half mile to go. The half mile down the straightaway went by in 46 and 1/5 seconds, moving towards the far turn. Lady Belle Sarah 3 parts of a length in front. Rolling Sea trying to slip up the inside. Chains up into the second spot now. Trendy Lady gaining rapidly on the far outside. Windy next by neck to Pleasant Hill now. And My Chickadee and High Heels being worked on at the back of the pack to the top of the lane. The rails open for Rolling Sea, who's sent on through by Robbie Alvarado. And Rolling Sea takes off at the top of the lane. Opens up by a length. Change Up trying to close the gap. Lady Belle Sarah's under pressure. High Heels starts to roll up the inside. My Chickadee gaining far outside, and Windy final 16th now. It's Rolling Sea in front by 3. High Heels on the inside, and My Chickadee. Rolling Sea hangs on to win the Chaluki from a hard-charging High Heels. My Chickadee third, and Change Up in 136 flat.